Okay, now let us go for the melodic minors. There are harmonic minors and melodic minors. And what is the difference between the harmonic and the melodic minors? In the melodic minor, the sixth and seventh note is raised in a particular scale. So in the scale of C, which has no sharps and no flats, in the harmonic minor, the seventh note, that is G, is raised, A minor. Seventh note G is raised, it becomes G sharp. Whereas in the melodic minor, the sixth and seventh is raised. So that means F and G is raised. Okay, now follow me. While ascending it is raised, and while descending it is lowered. The chord remains the same, but the scale changes. The sixth and seventh is raised. Sixth, seventh raised while ascending and lowered when descending. So in a particular piece, if you see in the A minor piece, or with the C major, no sharps, no flats, and you see the seventh note is raised and the sixth note is also raised, then it is a melodic minor. It is A melodic minor. If it's only G that is raised, then it is A harmonic minor. Okay, so you get the difference. In the melodic minor, the sixth and seventh is raised. In the harmonic minor, only the seventh is raised. So this is your A minor melodic. And then it is lowered while descending. Okay. Now let's go to E minor. E minor, the key signature is, you will find an F sharp. It is a relative of G major, so you will have the F sharp. So the F sharp will remain when you ascend and descend. But when you ascend, the sixth note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth. Sixth note is sharpened, seventh note is sharpened as per harmonic, and then when you descend, it is lowered, but the F sharp remains. Okay, the F sharp doesn't change. Okay, so in the E minor, F sharp remains of G, relative of G, sixth. Okay, so you have this E melodic minor. Now let's go to the D melodic minor. Now the D melodic minor is the relative of F major. F major has one flat, B flat. Okay. Now B flat happens to be the sixth note from D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's B flat is there. Now this will, when it is raised, the B flat will become B natural. And when it is lowered, the B natural will become B flat. When a note is raised, it becomes a sharp. So when G is raised, it becomes G sharp. When A is raised, it becomes A sharp. When B flat is raised, it becomes B natural. Now look at this. When B natural is raised, it becomes B sharp. That is C. Okay? And when C is lowered, it becomes B. This is C flat. This is C flat, it is lowered by a semitone. This is B flat, is lowered by a semitone. A flat is lowered by a semitone. G flat is lowered by a semitone. F sharp is raised by a semitone. And G flat is lowered. So when you go towards the left, towards the bass, you lower it by a semitone. When you go and becomes a flat, and when you go to the treble clef on the right side. When it is raised, it becomes a sharp. So now your D melodic minor will be B flat will be there. So it is raised, it becomes B natural and then C sharp, and when it is descending it will be. So have you all understood the D minor melodic? Raised, lowered. Okay, so this is your D minor melodic. Now all these scales you all have learned to play and you all have learnt it in your theory. So please practice and remember the semitones in all majors, thumb rule, 3rd, 4th, 7th, 8th. How do you find the 3rd, 4th? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a semitone. 7th, 8th is a semitone. Okay? Semitone is the distance between two notes. So 3rd, 4th, 7th, 8th. Harmonic minors with the in case of the harmonic minors, how do you go? 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Okay? In the case of minors, it is 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. 5th, 6th. So here we go. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. This is a semitone. In minors, it is 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. All minors is the same. Now if it's D minor, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. This is the general principle. 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. In harmonic minors, it is 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. In fact, I think I made you all write it out also on your theory book. So just go through it in your theory book. And in melodic minors, it is semitones is 2nd, 3rd, 7th, 8th while ascending, and 5th, 6th, 2nd, 3rd while descending. So how do you go? 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. 2nd, 3rd, 7th, 8th while ascending, and okay, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 5th, 6th, 2nd, 3rd while descending. So in melodic, it is 2nd, 3rd, 7th, 8th while ascending, and 5th, 6th, 2nd, 3rd while descending. I made you all write all this in your theory book. So please take it out, go through it and learn it. Write out your scales, all these scales again. C major, G major, F major, A harmonic minor, D harmonic minor, E harmonic minor, and A melodic minor, D melodic minor, and E melodic minor. And please mark all the semitones and get thorough with it. You can't afford, these are your building blocks. You go further depending upon how well you know the scales. And with the scales go the chords. So in the next class, next video which I will give you all the chords for these scales. Okay? So that one set of scales is over. Now for your grade 2, you will also have D major and B flat major, and the relative of B flat major, which is G minor. You have that for your grade 2 theory, but I will wait for a little while before we take it up practical. Okay, so you get all of three of you all, please get thorough in this part, don't forget it, and then we'll take up the rest later. Okay then, thank you very much.